50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by NimaRadanArt. Leaving behind good children encompasses more than just biological offspring. It is about nurturing and guiding the next generation, instilling in them values of compassion, empathy, and responsibility. By raising children who are conscious of their impact on the world, we ensure that the cycle of positive change continues beyond our own lifetime.
Day 40. Faith in the Unknown. Dear God, grant me unwavering faith in the midst of uncertainty. Help me to trust that you are always with me, guiding me towards the best outcomes. Amen.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Success is not about luck. It's about dedication and hard work.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Volunteer at a local animal rescue or rehabilitation center.
For unity for a happier world.
Let us strive for unity in our actions, words, and thoughts, promoting peace and equality.
What is the purpose of our life?
Life's purpose is to find joy in the simple moments, to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us.
Today's children are the future leaders of the world. They follow our example, and we are responsible for being an example for them worthy of following. We are responsible. We can make the world a better place for children by doing small things. When we are kind and caring, when we protect the environment, and when we strive for change, when we start each day with a new motivation and purpose, we show children how they can change the world. By educating and inspiring children, we can prepare them to become leaders of change in the future. Be with me until the end of this journey. Best wishes, Nima.